I'm Frog Princess Hariska. Quack, quack. Have you ever thought of becoming an animal character? Today is a good chance for you. I will teach you how to make your own animal crown so that you can do role play and play games of your favorite story later. I can't wait for it. Now let's follow my steps and we can have fun all together. Let's go! These are the materials needed. We need color pencils, scissors, glue, marker, a pair of googly eyes. But I'm sorry because I haven't got the googly eyes today, so I used the paper eyes instead. The crown bear template. I'm gonna make the bear crown. So I use this template and a piece of paper strips. Alright, now let's get started. First of all, we color the crown bear templates. So we need the brown one. Okay, so color the ears. And the face. Alright, and then we use a light brown color to color the inner ears and the lower part of the face. Black color the nose. And then we are going to do the eye parts. So get your pair of eye glue stick and stick them. Make sure the white part stay at the top. Alright. Hey, hang on, we haven't finished yet. Don't forget the back part of the crown. Okay, now we may fold up the right side of the strip, also the left side of the strip a bit. Around 0.5 cm is enough. Okay, we can put some glue like at the back of the crown templates on both sides of the bottom. And then we can put the strip, stick on it, and other side of the strip also stick on it. Okay? Yeah! We finished the crown already. Congratulations! Hey! See? Any changes on my head? Yes, of course. Now I'm the Bear Princess Hariska. Haha, nice to meet you. Wow, good job today. You all very good at making your own crowns. If you have finished this one, you can make the next one. You can choose other characters in the story called brown bear, what do you see? For example, you can make the black sheep crown and the frog crown like the one I wore before I made the craft with you. What is this animal? It's a cat. What about this animal? Wow, excellent, it's a dog. Okay, yeah, you all are very awesome today. You all are very bright kids. Thank you for joining me and have a happy day ahead.